Good morning, Blizzard family. About a minute, 5 seconds left in the routine before the boys get ready to play the season's final game before we go into the playoffs. Currently, we are coming off of a 1-point win, 3-2 against the Swarm yesterday morning. Excellent goals, some excellent passing from Brody Hayes to Crosby Corthay yesterday for the game-winning goal. Looked amazing. And hopefully we'll have those videos out on YouTube, that yesterday's and today's, later this week. Oh no. As boys get ready. We are going to be down, unfortunately. Emmett Smith, number 22, not feeling well. Missed yesterday's game. Hopefully he'll be better in time for the playoffs. And today we're going to be going up against the Clover. I believe we tied with them last time we met. Yeah, no, we beat them last time. I can't remember. I don't have any of my cheat sheets with me today. Woke up late. Clover's down early for a little bit of a longer warm-up. But the Blizzards are out now, and they're ready to go. Number 90, Alex, headed to the net. Excellent goaltender. And let's see, where's Donnelly at? Playing for the Clovers. You might remember he stepped in for Turner a few weeks ago. All right, 71 Corte taking center here. Puck's down, game starts. And goes to the Clovers. And swing it over. O'Donnell gets it, passes it over to 71, but it gets over to McKnight, number 21 for the Clovers. Or sorry, 61 for the Clovers. Loses it to Oslam, number 7. Oslam sends it forward, and the Clovers send it right back, icing it from across the red line. Keeping that. Fortunately, it's going to set them back a little bit. All the way to there, to the right circle there. And puck's down. Pushes it back to 7. Oslam takes a shot against the goal, but it goes wide to the right. Clovers get on it and shoot it hard over to 21. Phillips coming down straight to the goal, goes for the shot, and Alex, it looks like, catches it between the legs. Some fun little action there from Clover's Phillips. Clovers are definitely awake this morning. All right. Corte still taking center. Sets up and breaks against the referee's feet, and Oslam sends it sliding back to Clover's 7. Over to O'Donnell. Oslam sends it back across the blue line, but it's back up right into O'Donnell's face. And let's see, they're fighting for it. Corte tries to break it away, but Clover's number 30 takes a shot, deflected up against the boards here. Hayford, 78, coming across right circle, get it out. 37 for the Clovers, can't quite break it free. Hayford going to take it back around in front of the net here and send it off. He's right side. He's just running down that right side. Clovers are starting to try to stop him, but he's going to slip through and take the shot and bounces off the goalie's legs. Clover's taking down the left side, the far side. Number 14 for them going. Hayford trying to get up to him and takes the shot. It's deflected. 71 Corte is going to take it from deflection. He's going to head forward with it. O'Donnell getting himself shaken out. 71 heads down. He is surrounded completely by the Clover. The Clover break it free, but they lose a little bit of control. Corte still going after it. It's going to go down the far wall. And it's going to be 21 Hayes now getting a hold of it on the center. And he's going to take it down left side here. Take advantage of some confusion there from the Clover, and he's going to take that shot wide to the side, deflected. O'Donnell couldn't quite get in there, but it's going to go far and wide. Hopefully Beal, number 5, can catch up to it before the Clovers do. And they're going to take the shot. Oh, they miss it, and Primaro gets on it. Oh, Primaro down, unfortunately, and Hayes breaks it off to the wall. Pushed up into the boards there. Real rough, they fall on each other. Just trying to get it loose. 37 Fleming takes the shot, deflected by Beal. Excellent job by number 5, Reed Beal. O'Donnell's going to take it from that shot, deflect it. And it's going to be 21 Hayes. He's going to break it free there. Nice little shot there up in front. And the boys are going to get it across the blue line. And the Clovers lose control right there. As 14, Lou Malia trying to get control of it. But the Clovers are able to break into it. It gets bounced behind the neck off the boards and sent back. Clovers keeping it moving back and forth. Really making the boys have to skate for it. Lost side of the puck there. Clovers are still fighting for it. 21 Hayes keeping it across the blue line, but it's sent across. Beal, number 5, gets it to Malia, and Malia gets tripped up there. But now Primaro and Beal are keeping it over. Clovers get it, and they're going to bring it across the blue line. The boys really fighting for it here. Clovers get across the blue, back into Blizzard territory, but they're trying to keep control. And it's going to be Primaro trying to keep control. They are wrestling for the puck there. 3 Blizzards, 1 Clover. Who gets it free? Can't tell from here. And it's going to be the Blizzards getting it free, but the Clovers get a hold of it. Number 46 for the Clovers gets it, but Hayes sweeps in. Hayes free and clear. No one in his way except for the goalie. He's going forward hard and fast, and he takes that shot, and it's right behind the foot. That's going to go 11-14 for Brody Hayes. Way to go, Hayes. I would love to be able to see all the team stats, because I think he may be league leader on goals this season. I'd love to actually be able to see all the stats. 10:55 left on the clock. For the first period, it's 0-1. Blizzards leading. Lippincott on center. Lippincott cuts it back to Hayford. Hayford sends it forward, up. Clovers get it. And it looks like they're going to bounce it off the board. That's McKnight trying to take it up. Can he get it across from the right circle? I don't think he can, as Jenkins and Gray fight for it there. And Alex is going to stop the play. I'll set them up on the right circle. And Knight and Lippincott facing off. And they get it free. Clovers get the control, but they send it off. Blizzard's able to kick it off to the far side. As Phillips once again gets hold of it. 38 Conrad stopping that movement here. But it's passed over to McKnight. And Hayford is able to break it free across the blue line back in neutral territory as the Blizzards and the Clovers chase after it here. 38 Conrad's going to get it extended up forward. It's now offensive play by the Blizzard here as the Clovers try to get control. Conrad tries to sneak it out from underneath the Clovers' feet. A6 Lippincott sends it across. Almost gets it to, I think that's from Gray. And the Clover's trying to pass it back and forth and get it out of the Blizzard's grip, but they just can't quite get it. Keep sending it right to him. Gray, number 2, trying to send it up, gets it to 86. Lippincott takes a shot, bounces off to the goalie right into the trap. Gray and Lippincott trying to get it straightened out here. But the Clover get it, and they're going to come down the far board. Hayford's in between them and the goal. But Malia is close behind in case he needs it. Hayford's able to slow him down, gets the puck loose. Shoots across the goalie's front and all the way forward, and the Clovers just miss it, and that's going to be an offsides call. Woo. All right, 8:39 left on the clock. 36 now. 71 Corte taking the lead. Pause on the time, 8:30. Looks like a goalie stick may have broke. Looks like they're going to be taking a time out for the Clovers. Sometimes these things happen. Get a little rough with the sticks and things just break. Clover's coach is coming back to new stick for the goalie. I think they have some spares in the office. Number 15, Montgomery getting a new stick. He's good to go. Hey, the Clover's breaking free. 8:26 on the clock right now. Hayford bringing it forward across. Ooh, unfortunately gets the cross number 14 for the Clovers. And Osm tries to stop that puck. And Corte follows up. I think it's going to be an offsides call because Corte was able to stop it right across the blue line. Where the Clovers came across with it. All right. And break it over to 77 Knight. Knight gets it to 71 Corte. Corte's bringing it down the left side here. He's going to swing over to the right, get set up in the right circle. Oh, falls, but Clovers get control of it. Ooh, and send it across. Boys are going to have to skate hard and fast, or it might be an icing call. And the puck slowed down right before the line, so it's not an icing call. And Hayes is able to break through here. Gets it to 46. O'Donnell sends it to Oslam. Oslam sends it forward across the blue line, but that's unfortunately going to be an offsides call. I think on O'Donnell that time. He had the puck. Who was it? Oh. Oh no. 46, W. Montgomery for the Clovers taking a penalty of some sort. Not sure what that was for. It may have been from the collision with Hayes before getting into the neutral zone. I think that'll set them up. Power play time for 2 minutes. Setting up on the left circle. The Clovers. Okay, Blizzards break it free to the left here. And Corte gets a hold of it. He's going to take a shot. Oh, bounces right off of 7's skate. Yeah, there is only one ref. Interesting. All right, my wife just pointed out there's only one ref currently. And might make some of the calls a little bit slow to happen. But hopefully they happen. All right, 71 breaks it to 3. Pomaro gets it back to Beal. Beal sends it across. Bounces off of Clover, but it is down to number 21, Hayes. Hayes sends it forward. Corte right on it, gets it over left circle. Ooh, goes down on a knee there as he tries to get control back and can't quite do it. That's going to be Pomaro slamming into the boards there. Clovers get sent to Beal. Beal sends it forward to Oslam. Oslam's going to try and keep that control as Pomaro comes in behind. Ooh, but the Blizzard lose it back to the neutral territory. Beal's going to send it forward. Looks like either taking himself. Oh, he's going to send it back. And Pomaro keeps it going. Pomaro gets control and gets it to 21. Hayes going down center. Only 2 players between him and the goal. He takes the shot. It's high over the goalie. Over the left circle now as the Clovers are trying to bring it down here. A little pass work there. And send it forward across the blue line over. Slot right, and then tries to take the shot, but Turner's going to stop the play. 5 minutes, 10 seconds left. Only 30 seconds left in that penalty for the Clovers. Power play almost complete. And now the power play is going to be on the fence here. Boys get set up. And number 3, Pomaro, tries to break free. Clovers get it. Number 91, Morley, sends it far to the left circle. Malia hits the ground. Unfortunately, as the pass comes to him, but the Clovers have it, they're going to have to re-square up. Penalty is over. Puck goes behind the net. And 78 Hayford going to get control of it on the corner here. Ooh, can't quite tell who that looks like. Beal, number 5. Going to take it and get off the corner there. And, ooh, the Clovers get it from him. Hayford takes it. Hayford, ooh, just getting in the way, screening that goal very well. Not letting the Clover get a clear chance of getting a shot. As they break free, Clovers send it across, and Alex is going to stop the play. Three minutes, 53 seconds left. Setting up on right circle. Refs got to skate hard today. Puck's down. They send it over. Blizzard may have won that one, but the Clovers get a hold of it. Oh, Blizzard's still going to try and break free. And now McKnight gets it over, takes a shot, gets it to right into the net, deflects it out. And Turner, it's going to be Jenkins taken down to 3. Ooh, good check there as Pomaro runs into the Clovers. And that is, I'm not sure who's got the puck at the moment, but they're going with that. That's number 14, Lou Malia. Drops it right over the blue line. Green sends it back. And the team gets back and set up. And the Clover get it. It's going to go over to Hayford here. Hayford takes it. He's going to take it. Ooh, unfortunately, Clover sweep it right out from underneath him. Nobody between them and the goal. Ooh. And it's a good save. Deflection. Clovers were not there to take advantage of that rebound. 2 minutes, 45 seconds remaining. Still 1 point lead for the Blizzard. Setting up on the right circle again.
Let's go, boys!
Full strength both teams as Lippincott gets it back to Hayford. Hayford's going to set it up on the board. And across the blue line, Clover's going to have to wait. That's an offsides call. Excellent move by Hayford there to pop it up over there. Excellent move by Hayford, pop it up over there. They thought they needed to play it, and they did. Offsides. Puck's down. Goes back to 77. Knight gets it to Gray. Gray fights for it here. It breaks free to 77 and 21. Knight trying to get it forward, but number 30 for the Clover breaks it all the way over to the far side. And Hayes is going to fight with it for him. Hayes sends it forward over to... Sorry about that. I somehow clicked on my Google. Sorry about that interruption, everybody. As the puck is now over in Mason Gray. Number 2 takes it across the blue line. Clover swap it out from in front of them over to the side, but Lippincott gets on it. Lippincott's going to bring it forward. And little check there. Knight gets on it. Knight's going to set it forward hard all the way over. No chance of an icing call now since the Clover stopped it. And all the way around the net. As Lippincott gets on it with the Clovers here. Clovers number 14. Bring it up on the right side here. Fighting with it with Hayes. Puck breaks free, and that's going to be 37 Kohler taking a shot wide. Sorry, 97 Kohler takes a shot wide. Another shot from 37. Stopped by Alex. 40 seconds remaining. Still a 0-1 game. Blizzard's leading by 1. Lippincott getting set up on the center here. It's number 97. Lippincott breaks it free to 38 Conrad. And they tipped it. Clover attempts a shot. And 77 Knight gets on it. The boys are just everywhere. There we go. Hayes, number 21, hitting it all the way on the right side here. He's gonna move it fast. Go in the center. He's in the slot. Over the right side, takes a shot, and it's a goal. Number 2 for Hayes of the game. As we finish the period, 0-2, Blizzards lead it. That just makes it fun. Yeah. Alrighty. Getting started for the second period. As we get ready for Blizzards are going to be heading to our right, screen right, for their goals now. All right. Team's gotten ready. We got O'Donnell, Oslam, and Porte on our forwards with Beal and Hayford on our defense here. So let's get set up in the goal. And the Clovers get it, but Corte sweeps in the middle here. Taking it down on the side. Oh no, O'Donnell's too far forward. Back, buddy, come back, get back, get back. It's going to be an offsides call, unfortunately. I think Ben thought the game was going to move a little bit faster. He got all the way to the goal, ready to play it. A little too eager there, buddy. All right, 15:33 remaining. Drop the puck. They get it across Clover, send it forward. Or for us, but then they slap it all the way back here, and it's going to be Beal getting on it. Beal's going to send it forward to Corte. Corte's going to take it up slowly. Then you have to get back on the blue side, and Finn gets it. And Corte kicks it over. Oh no, the Clover sent it back over the blue line, and man, I hate when they get right here. It's so hard to keep up. All right, Beal gets it. Oh, bounces it right off the Clover. Hayford's going to take it, send it over to O'Donnell. Ooh, just misses O'Donnell, gets it back to number 46, W. Montgomery. He gets it over to Korn, number 23. Montgomery, Kohler, and Korn fighting with O'Donnell here for the puck, and it gets free. Number 23, Korn takes a shot, bounces it out of the glove of Alex there, as Hayford takes it across the center and over to 71. Ooh, unfortunately, Corte just loses it. He bounces over the Beal. Beal tries to send it forward, and Corte gets it back across the blue line. Montgomery, 46, going for that shot again. Wide of goal. And a good little hip check there from 71. Hard to tell who's breaking free here. Oh, it looks like they've taken the shot, and Alex caught it. That was a little chaotic for even me to keep up with. Woo! Excellent effort by the Clover there, but just couldn't quite center it up. All right. Looks like Morrow on center here. Clover sent it back, and it's going to be a lot of chaos there, but Clovers break it free and try to send it forward. It's going around the back corner of the goal. 31 for the Clovers sends it around forward, and 61 is going to get a hold of it. 61 going to send the shot across. He's left circle, takes a shot, sends it over. Ooh, cannot make the connection with his team there. Gets sent back to 96, Mallory, and they cross the blue line, so now the Clovers are going to have to fight hard to get over there. It's Malia, number 14, brings up right circle. Ooh! Does make contact for the shot, but he's going to bring it around. Now they got the pressure going up. Tries to bring it around. Can't quite do it. 21 for the Clovers gets it. Tomorrow keeps the Clovers from sending it back and just keep fighting for it. Oh no, and the Clovers send it across the blue line just past Hayes. It's going to be an icing call. 12 minutes, 23 seconds remaining. Still 2-point lead for the Blizzard. And pucks down. Clovers win it. They're going to break it up for Hayes. Hayes takes the shot. Ooh, bounces off the number 25, Donnelly. Or 29, Donnelly. And we're going to do a quick shift change here. Hayes Jenkins keeping up on the defense here. Lippincott, Gray, and Conrad taking up the forward positions. And Lippincott tries to break it forward. The Clovers get it tangled up in them, but they send it far to the left side. And Hayes is going to get on it. Hayes bringing around the left circle. Tweet over the right circle. The right circle's got Gray on it. Gray's going to take the chance. Oh, can't quite get contact. Hayes takes the shot wide over to the right of the goalie. Goalie's down. And Clovers get it, number 14, taking it across. Hayes stops him, or at least tries to slow him down. Passes over to 37. 37 gets it back to 14. 14 takes the shot, bounces it. Kind of gets caught up on Malia there. And that's going to be Jenkins bringing it down here. And Jenkins sending it hard and across. It's across. Jenkins still has it, leading a little bit of the forward offense there. And the Clovers doing what they can to keep that movement, keep off of the aggression they're dealing with there. Send it across center line. And Lippicott's going to be right on there as the Clovers try to take control. And Lippincott sends it back across, and ooh, almost an offside. Nate's chasing after it. Hayes and Jenkins trying to fight, get ready for it, and players go down. A little bit of a tangle. That's going to be an offside call on 46. Sent it across a little too soon. Was it, or did they just call it? Let's go, Blizzard! All right, Clover's breaking free. Get it back to their number 7. Right to our number 7, Awesome. 77 Knight sends it back. It gets to center. 7 Kohlers for the Clover trying to fight with 7 Awesome. And they send it across the blue line. It's going back around the net. As number 76, it's going to be Hayford. Gets a hold of it. Ooh, another shot on goal. Woo! Just misses as it deflects off of Turner there. Hayford's going to take it across the far boards there. Sends it up, but 46 Montgomery gets on it again. It's going to get for another shot chance. And oh, it goes just in front of the goal. These deflections are doing well, but these boys need to get the puck out of there. O'Donnell trying to get it out with Knight. And they are just fighting for it. Alex trying to stop the play. It breaks free. And Awesome gets on it. Ooh, can't quite tell who's got the puck, but they're fighting for it there. Against the board. And it's free across the side. If it gets across the blue line, Clover's going to be a tough spot. 46 Montgomery. Offside. Two of the teams still on the offense there. Woo. Alex doing what he can to keep up, but that was chaotic there. They need to get the puck out of the goal zone. Off the crease as much as possible. All right, Forte taking center and sends it forward, breaks it free. He's going up against nobody. As the Clover send it back with the Blizzard, keep it across the blue line. Hayford fighting for it there. And it breaks across. Clover's on the offense. 71 Corte brings it around the net. He's hopefully going to get it free. He's still coming down with it to 46 and 7. Oh, they break it up. Clover's McKnight getting control of it. Can't quite keep it clear of the Blizzard who keep fighting for it. And it's going to break through the Oslam. Oslam's going to bring it down across the boards, across the line. And he breaks it free from Phillips while he is chased by McKnight. Oslam going down right side, right circle, takes it over. Oh, gets it to center. Sorry about that. Oh, no. Get up. Phillips takes it. Hayford gets in the way and is right into Turner's glove once again. Oh boy. Seven minutes, 5 seconds remaining as we get to the end of the second period here. 2-point lead for the Blizzards still. Number 3, Pomaro taking the center. And the puck's down, breaks it over. Clovers get it. And they try to send it forward, but that's going to be 21 Hayes getting on it. Hayes brings it down to the right side. Hayes going to cross the blue line. Ooh, but cuts back over. Clover sending it free and clear. But the Blizzards are set up. It's a race to the puck as they get a hold of it. And number 9, Hernandez is getting on it. Keeps it free to Malia. Malia trying to get clear of the Clovers here, but it just gets caught on everybody's feet. Breaks it free. That's going to be Beal, number 5, taking it. He's going to send it forward. Hayes gets on it. He's taking it center. It's free and clear. Only 14 Klaus in between him and the goal. And cuts over to the right. Right circle. Ooh, just loses control of it. Takes the shot wide. And Clover's goalie catches it with 6 minutes remaining on the clock. Pomaro getting set up. It breaks free. Clovers get control of it, but not long enough to keep the Blizzards from moving it. Ooh, but it's across the blue line. Pomaro hits down on the ground there, and the puck breaks to 9. 9 breaks to Malia. Malia gets across the blue line. They're at least on the offense here. Get that pressure up on the goalie, but oh, can't do it. It's number 37 bringing it across around. And we're waiting for it. Oh, shoots it over to 21 Hayes. Hayes is going to take it forward. Hayes keeping control. Gets across the blue line. Clovers fall all over the puck here as 5 Beal gets on it. Everybody's going down. That's going to be number 3 Pomaro. Pomaro's going to kick it forward. Clover's going to hold it. Number 37. No, that's number 7. And it's across the blue line. Hayes sends it up forward. And breaks it free over. He is completely surrounded. He's going to take the shot, though. It's wide off the goalie. Gets the Beal. Beal takes the shot. Bounces it off. Malia's trying to get up in there as well. 14 takes it, and Clover's trying to send it forward, and they can't get across the blue line. Blue Malia takes it, gets it to Hernandez. Hernandez gets it to Pomaro. A little bit of a conflicting fight there. And it looks like the Clovers are trying to just ice it to slow down the action. That's going to be icing call. 4 minutes, 20 seconds left. Still a 2-point lead for the Blizzards today. And now we've got 2 refs. Making it a lot easier for them to keep up now. That's the 4-minute mark. And the Blizzards break free to Gray. Gray takes the shot. Ooh, just wide to the right of the goal. Gets the 29 Clovers. Gray fighting for it. He is hitting hard against the boards here. And Jenkins trying to stop the puck, but it gets across the blue line. He fights with Alvarez, number 8 for the Clovers. Libigot gets a hold of it. He's going to send it across here. Gets it to 38 Conrad. Conrad's going to take it, get across the blue line. He's got Gray on his right if he needs it. Takes the shot, and goalie's going to stop the play. Yeah, they are. Absolutely trying to melt this. Keep that aggression up. Keep the pressure on the goalie as much as possible. Jenkins sends it forward, bounces it off, and caught by the goalie. Going to stop the play there. 3-minute mark on the second period. Yeah. Alrighty then. Looks like we're putting Lippincott still on center here. Gray and Conrad, Jenkins and Hayford taking up our lineup here. And the puck breaks over to Gray. Gray tries to set up for the shot right in the slot there. Can't quite get it free. Conrad's going to get it set up on the left circle. But it breaks back to Hayford. Hayford slaps it over. Almost gets it behind the net there. Puck gets right back to Hayford. Hayford's going to do what he can to keep control of it there. And now Lippicott's going to break it free. Clover's going to get back up on the feet here, and sends it over the left circle from, I think that's Conrad, over to Lippincott. Hard stick slap there from the Clovers. And Lippicott's going to bring it, Hayford's going to bring it down around here and keep it in between feet. Jenkins right where he needs to be to keep it going forward as they drop it off of Hayford. Blizzard, get it. It's a hard fought bit here to keep track of the puck, even for me. McKnight taking it down, 61, can't keep it free as Gray gets on it. Gray sends it up to Lippincott. Lippicott's taking it, only one person between him, right circle, loses it right before the circle and gets it over. And the Clovers bring it back across. That's going to be 21 Phillips going down left circle here. He gets up, he's just going to take that shot, I think. And it's wide, right across the front of the goal. Clover's trying to set up here. They get to Hayford. Hayford's going to send it hard. And it's free down along the board. And Montgomery 46 gets on it. Gets it 7 to 38. 38, Conrad's going to get it to 86. Lippincott gets it to Gray, but Gray just misses it. Tries to take the slash there and can't quite slow him down. 14, Klaus going down center. He's in the slide. He's got Hayford in between him and the goal. Takes the shot. Oh, Clover get a goal. 49 seconds on the clock there. There's now a 1-2 game. Blizzards are still leading. 14.
You need to stay.
25 seconds remaining. Puck drops. Lippincott sends it forward. He's going to try and get it and keep it going. Can the Blizzard get one more goal? Gets it to Gray. Gray's going to send. Oh, Clover, stop his movement. Hard sticks here. And a good collision right there on the blue line. As the Clover trying to get, maybe they can tie up this game in the last couple seconds of the period. The Hayford's got free, and there's no time left on the clock. That's going to be the end of the second period. I had a horrible angle there. Sorry.
Hey!
'That goal is going to reinvigorate the Clover. They possibly could tie this up in the next 16 minutes. But I think the Blizzard might just hate losing more than the Clovers like to win. We'll see that. All right. $16 minutes on the period. Still 1-2, 1 point lead for the Blizzard. Got 71 Corte on center here. With Oslin and O'Donnell. And Hayes and Knight on defense. And puck gets over to the Clover side. And 77 Knight. 71 Corte. Man, I cannot keep track of numbers today. 71 Corte takes it right side. He's on the right circle. Might send it over to Oslin. Takes a shot. And deflected. Clover's able to set it hard enough back to keep Hayes and keep it from crossing the blue line. Hayes sets up. He's going to go right side here. Ooh, just drops it before the blue line. And it's all the way across. And icing.
Let's go, Phoenix!
So one Corte on center, and puck drops. Sends it right into the ref's feet, and gets over to 21 Hayes. Hayes just going to take the wide shot, bounce it, just toss the net. Puck's out into Clover's control here, and Knight's able to keep it centered. O'Donnell tries to keep control of it. And Klaus, number 14, gets a hold of it. Hayes tries to set up to block it, and he's at least able to set it off to the left circle. Klaus tries to get control of it, but Hayes takes 71 court there. Didn't realize he got up there that fast. That's going to be O'Donnell. And O'Donnell gets it to 71 court there, but Clover's packed it back out. 30, Murphy. Oh, it's a goal. Tied up then. That's going to be, I believe, number 30 for the Clover. Stefano, I believe that's his name. 30. 14 minutes left on the time here, on the period. Boys set back up. And the puck breaks free. Pomaro gets it to Hayes. Hayes taking it down. Hayes might make it a hat trick today. Can he get in and get that shot? He's got no backup though, and he takes a shot to goal from right circle, and Hayes at 13:36. At least bring us back to a 2-3 1-point lead for the Blizzard. Wake up, Blizzard! Tomorrow gets the puck over to Clover's. Clover's going to take it around. And they send it hard over to Beal. Beal's going to take control. He's going to bring it back forward on the left circle here. Sends it over to Hernandez. Oh, no, just misses. Clover's going to chase after it here for a second. And break it free, it looks like. 14, Aaliyah tries to break it free. And breaks it across the blue line. Clover's bringing it back around the net. That's going to be number 8 for the... Oh, that's going to be an offsides call. Alrighty. Knight versus Pomaro. Pomaro sends it over Hernandez. And it gets across the blue line. Morley sends it forward. And Hayford sends it wide across the rink here. 7. So Clover gets a hold of it. He sends it up and right into Beal. Gets it to Pomaro. Pomaro shoots it across here. Still on the Clovers. Pressure here. 14, Malia sends it across the blue line. It's going to mess with the Clovers for just a second. Malia brings it forward. Tries to fight for it underneath the skates. Clovers get back control. Across the blue. Can't connect that goal attempt there. And fighting for the puck over in the corner. As everyone falls down at Hayford. Malia trying to get on it. As long as they keep screaming it, we're good. Bounces it right off the corner of the net. And it looks like Beal, 5, gets it over, and Clovers get back on the right circle with it. Try to send it over, they pass it back. Send it forward. And Alex, who tries to stop the puck, just misses it. Beal bring it around. 61 for the Clovers. Going to send it forward to their 7. Oh, and they just missed across the blue line. Boys got to stay hard, Blizzard! As number 3, Pomaro gets on it. He takes the shot, and it's clear. But Malia rebounds it. Malia takes the shot, and it's back behind the net. Now the pressure's up on the Clovers. Hayford getting ready to stop the puck there and sends it high. Right to Hernandez. Hayford's able to just break it free off the board. And Clover's trying to figure out what they're going to do here. They send it over to 15, Jenkins. Jenkins just needs to take the shot if he can and takes it. Bounces it. Oh, it gets deflected just off to the right side of the net. 14 and 15 trying to fight for the puck here to get it out from underneath the Clovers. Clovers bring it down across the board and slows it down right across the line here. And Malia drops his stick. The boys go down. Klaus, number 14, gets back a hold of it. He's taking over right circle. He gets this set up for the shot. I don't think he'll be able to do it well. Ooh, gets it, and that's a goal, tying it up for the Clovers. Another goal by number 14, Klaus. Or sorry, McKnight possibly. I think it was McKnight, 41. With a assist by Klaus. 9 minutes, 28 seconds remaining. Lippincott on center. And the puck's going to break free. Still stuck in the center on the ice. And it breaks over to the Blizzard. Blizzard get to 15. Jenkins trying to get it free. Can't do it. Westfano, number 30 there. Gets it free. Klaus gets it, number 14. But it gets free to Lippincott. Lippincott's going to skate hard down right center. Gets it to Gray. Gray coming down with it. It's across the blue line. Gray needs to get it off the boards and center if he can. As the Clovers fight for it. And, it got broken free down here to Hayes. Hayes is going to bring it across the center. He's sending it high and over to, Lippincott just misses it. Gray gets where he needs to be. Tips it in with the skate. Takes the shot. Deflected. Lippincott tries to take a shot, fake shot. And, still can't quite make it in. And it looks like goalie stops the play. 8:38 remaining. 37. I can't count fast enough. It's going to be pressure on the Clovers here to at least keep it tied. Lippincott still on center. Backed up by Hayford and Gray. And Knight and Hayes. Gray gets it. He's going to take the shot forward just on the inside of the trap there. And Clover's number 37 taking it hard and fast across the left line there. Left side. Hayes and Lippincott trying to stop it. And it's deflected off of Turner. I think a call of some sort. A tripping call against. Who are we calling it against? Against Conrad, number 38. Here's the camera mid. All right, good camera, but you're good. All right, puck's down. Lippincott passes it over. I'm trying hard. Alex able to deflect it, sends it back. Lippincott gets it up underneath his skate. Oh no! And they send it across the blue line. Power play still in effect as Gray comes across. Gray sends it over. Goalie stops the play. Good hustle by Mason Gray there. He's like that every time. Now Finn needs to go off. There we go. All right. Still in a power play here. 71 Corte sends it back to Knight. Knight tips it over to 21 Hayes. Hayes back over to Corte, but just high. And they break free. Knight sends it to Corte. Corte sets it up. Cross it over. Keeping that pressure up. What the Blizzard need to do. And it's back across the blue line. Clover have it. Number 23 bringing it down. Right circle here. Takes the shot high, bounces off of Alex. Back behind the crease as I think that's 71 Corte. Gonna bring it down right side. And he's moving down here. Kicked off just by the number 6 there, I think. Number 6 skating fast. Gets it to 37, 23, 23, just misses trying to get the shot off. Gets over in the right corner. And it looks like Corte's going to try and set it up, but 8 gets hold of it. Clover's 8 sends it up and right into Hayes. Hayes is going to bring it back around the net. He's going to get set up. He's going to set it hard over to Knight. And just almost just across the blue line, but not quite Knight. Clover's really just keeping the pressure up. And Hayes able to stop that shot setup. Corte's going to get on it, send it back to Donnelly. Donnelly, 29 here. He's going to try for the goal. And Turner's going to stop play. 5 minutes, 6 seconds remaining. And I believe the power play is over. Back to full strength now. .450 remaining. McKnight and I believe Corte facing off here, and it breaks free to Clover's side, but who gets control of it? It's the real question. 21 takes the shot. O'Donnell breaks it over to the left circle. Ooh, but doesn't keep up with the puck as it gets broken free right across the front of the goal here. Hafer sends it forward, almost gets it across, but can't quite do it as the puck is sent back across the boards. 71 trying to fight for the puck, get control of it. And can't quite keep the Clover from trying to center it, but it breaks free to Awesome. Awesome sends it up the boards. And the Clover send it back. And unfortunately, the Clover's breaking free. Hafer gets it. Oh! Not a goal. That got in the back of the net. Whew. 3:50 remaining on the clock. Tied game currently with the Clover. Keeping the pressure up. Corte breaks it back to Oslam, but then looks like Malia gets it. Beal gets it. Beal sends it across to Corte. Corte's going to bring it down center. He is surrounded by Clover, unfortunately. He's going to have to send it across and over. Square it up. Left circle. Can you get it over? Don't think you can. Clover's still fighting for it here. And Clover bring it back. Clover bringing it back, but Oslam is able to break it free. Corte's right there. O'Donnell gets set up for the pass. Gets it back on the net there. And it's all the way over to Hafer. Hafer's just going to take a wide shot here. Get to O'Donnell. Oh no, Clover sweeping right behind him. As they're coming in hard. They're back across the blue line. Boys are going to skate hard. Hafer trying to get in position to screen that shot. And he's at least able to slow it down just a second. And whoo! That shot is caught by Turner. 2:45 remaining on the time. Tomorrow taking center. Puck's down. Sends it back to Hayford. Hayford's going to bring it back around the net. Get raised. Hayford bounces off the wall. Back to Pomaro. Pomaro trying to get across the blue line. It's across the blue line. And Hayford's right where he needs to be to stop the puck movement. Hayford takes it forward. Hayford might be going for the shot here. And left circle. Keeps getting pushed back across to the wall. Clovers just keep sending it forward. That's going to be Beal getting on it. And it's a shot towards the center from the far right circle. Blizzards are all caught up on each other with their sticks here. And that's going to be number 14, Cox, getting a hold of it. Cox might be going for the third goal, for Clover's fourth goal here. And deflects it. It's deflection after deflection there. But Clovers just weren't quite ready to get that third. Oh my gosh. Boys keep getting their own ways here. They send it over. Hayford gets it to Pomaro. Pomaro's going to skate. One of our fastest skaters. Can he get down? He's across the blue line. And at least gets it across the crease. 1 minute, 10 seconds remaining. Can the boys set up for a goal here just to win the game? Malia gets it. And sent back across to the left circle. I was not where I thought it was there. Hayford gets it. He takes a hit to the shot, but it's going to be deflected. Clover's getting a hold of it. It's going to be Klaus again getting a hold of it. And the boys just can't stop him from moving with it. And Hayes get a hold of it. Stop it. I'm not sure. Ooh, Hayes fighting with it. Got across the boards here. Set it up to 37, but 37 gets stopped by Hayford. And now Malia has it. Malia shoots it up to Corte. Corte's going to slow down and get it right where he wants it. And gets it centered across the blue line. And check there against the board. Boys fight for it here. And Corn, number 23 for the Clover, is taking it forward. And right to Malia, 14. Malia's going to set it back across the blue line. That's at least going to slow down the Clover's momentum. With 5 seconds remaining. Boys, she's got to keep it. That's time on the period. Clover's tied up with the Blizzard there in the last period. And that's going to be it for today's game. 3-3. Excellent playing by both teams. Both teams really keeping the pressure up when needed.